Pakistani with my Bollywood body with our model Ritik Bhai today. Today we're going to talk about chest. Matter of fact, Goli Mara talk about we're actually going to train chest. A good workout routine 45 minutes से 1 घंटे की रूटीन है जो कि आप जिम में अपने दोस्त यार मित्र के साथ कर सकते हैं. पहली एक्सरसाइज इस रूटीन के अंदर जो आपने करनी है 4 सेट 8 से 10 रेपिटेशन इज पुशअप्स. Push-up, nice and slow, shoulder width grip आपकी होनी चाहिए. नीचे जाएं, pause, get blood and oxygen into your chest. Come back up. 8 से 10 repetition लगाएं 4 सेट में. This is your first exercise just to get the blood and oxygen going. Moving on to the second exercise. पहली exercise push-up. Second exercise इसके बाद हमने जो करनी है, it's called regular bench press. जो कहते हैं ना आजा यार bench लाइए बाहर फट के. So that's your second exercise. Second exercise. आप लेकिन actually you know what? Okay, I'm gonna talk once you finish like 15-20 repetition. मैं अगर इसको जरा थकात को कर रगड़ा देते हैं वीडियो में आज. शाबाश. चल नहीं बोलते इतनी टेंशन ना लेकर. 5 12 के बाद बोलेंगे. 6 होली यार होली गुस्से नहीं करते अभी तो पूरे 5 मिनट रगड़ा देना मैंने आपको. Second exercise that you're doing is a bench press. Push-up जो है is targeting the overall of your chest. Wide grip, which is your bench press, is targeting the outside of your chest. आप छाती चौड़ी करना चाहते हैं. This is the exercise you gotta do. 4 सेट इसके भी लगाएं 8 से 10 up to 12 repetitions if you want to. Starting with push-ups, moving on to your bench press. Moving on to the third exercise. हमने 6 एक्सरसाइजेज आपके साथ रूटीन में शेयर करनी है. आप वीडियो को स्लो पॉज करके देखें और इफ यू आर वर्किंग आउट थ्रू आउट द वीडियो सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू डू वन एक्सरसाइज देन प्ले द वीडियो फॉरवर्ड द वीडियो एंड यू मूव ऑन टू द सेकंड एक्सरसाइज. Third exercise is what we created is called a chest pyramid. How you do a pyramid. Pyramid is you do one chest press and you do one fly. So he did one press and then do one fly. Now he's on to the second press, second fly. 1 and 2. Now you move on to the third one. So 3 presses, 3 flies. 4 press, 4 flies. 5 press, 5 flies. So up to 5 एक सेट आपने बनाना है. इसके भी 4 सेट लगाने हैं. You keep doing. You're on to the fourth now, right? Yeah. So that's your third exercise. Again, dumbbells target the center. पहले जब आपने barbell लगाई, push-ups, which was your warm-up, targeted over off your chest. When you did a barbell press, it targeted outside of your chest. When you did dumbbell press, it targeted the center part of your chest, just to grow your chest out. And isolation, again, flies के साथ आपने isolate की, overall पूरी अपनी chest को round shape दी. That's your third exercise. हर exercise के आपने 4 सेट लगाने हैं, 8 से 10, and अगर हिम्मत है तो up to 12 repetition. Moving on to the fourth exercise of the day, which is incline barbell press. Incline के ऊपर बार लगानी है, targeting the upper part of your chest, touching, bringing it down, pause, touching your collarbone, nice and slow. नीचे जाना है, squeeze, come all the way back up. इसके भी आपने 4 सेट लगाने हैं. Again, key, over and over हम हर वीडियो में आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं. The key in working out, the key in building a body, the key in any exercise lifting weights is slow and steady wins the race, quality over quantity. इसके भी आपने 4 सेट लगाने हैं 8 से 10 और अगर हिम्मत है you can push your way up to 12 repetitions. Moving on to the fifth exercise. कितना बोलता हूँ मैं यार बीच में भी ना वीडियोस के बीच में जब हम इधर उधर जा रहे होते हैं जब ऋतिक भाई बाल कंघी करते हैं अपने हमें भी कुछ सिस्टम को गाने को नहीं लगाने चाहिए. Fifth exercise, open chest fly. How do you do an open chest fly? Normally, Ritik bhai, I want you to do a couple of reps of a regular incline flies. So these are the regular incline flies that you see everybody doing in a gym. I don't want you to do it in this workout routine. I want you to do an open chest fly. What's an open chest fly? You're keeping your dumbbell just like you're doing a press. You open your arms all the way out, stretch all the way back up. And when you're bringing your arms back up, you're going to bring your chest. So it's like मेरे हाथ आपकी chest पे and you push my hand away with your chest. 2. Give me about 8 to 10. And that's 3. Come on. And that's 4. So the idea is to keep your arms straight, go down, stretch, squeeze, push my hands away. इसके भी 8 से 10 repetition आपने लगाने हैं. This is your fourth exercise. Starting off, you can adjust the bench to get ready for the pullovers. Starting off, push-ups, 4 set, 8 से 10 repetition just to get the blood and oxygen into your muscle, more like a warm-up. Then moving on to 4 set of flat bench, 8 से 10 repetition. Moving on to आपने जो pyramid बनाया था, 1 press, 1 fly, 2 press, 2 fly, up to 5 repetition. Then moving on to the incline bench. Then आपने open chest, wide chest, flies की इसके भी 8 हर exercise के आप 8 से 10 repetition लगा रहे हैं 4 set. And the last exercise is again to wrap up your whole workout is dumbbell pullovers. You lift the bar up. You can watch our other videos how to do it properly. Posture किस तरह होना चाहिए. In this, the whole purpose is to show you the routine. So perfect. Give me about 8 to 10. So what he's doing, what Ritik is doing is he pulls the dumbbells back. So when you're doing a pullover, you got to make sure you pull this part out as much as possible. You can put जितना आप प्रेशर अपने लैट के मसल के ऊपर डाल सकते हैं उतना डालें. Pull, stretch, and you're bringing it back up. Squeeze your chest. So it's like, you know, just like you're doing flies or presses. So when you go down, you pull this part out. When you're bringing it back up, squeeze your chest as much as possible. And again, इसके भी 8 से 10 repetition लगाने हैं. Pullovers, a lot of the time you see लोग back के workout के साथ भी करते हैं. There's certain exercises you can do it with multiple muscles. You can do it with back, you can do it with chest. So again, starting from the शुरू में आपने क्या किया? आपने push up लगाए, 8 से 10 repetition लगाए, 40-50 सेकंड की break ली, 4 set लगाए, 1.5 से 2 मिनट की break ली. Moving on to the flat bench, then आपने pyramid बनाया, then incline, open chest flies, and pullovers. This workout should take you about 45 minutes. अगर आप अपने partner के साथ कर रहे हैं, tops, try to knock it off in an hour. Ritik bhai, with the mild workout, how do you feel? A little bit of a pump in your chest?
Yeah, pretty good pump.
Okay, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, My Bollywood Body. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.